Hi, I'm Joe with Adams Polishes, and clearly you can't even tell who it is because this side of the glass has not been coated. Now this side of the glass has been coated with Adams Polishes Graphene Glass Coating. Now, if you want your windshield to reject water like this side of the windshield, this is the product that you want to apply. And in this video today, I'm going to show you exactly how to put this on your glass. Now, the way to make water not stick to your glass, or what we like to say be hydrophobic or bead water, is to apply Adams Graphene Glass Coating. Now, before you start this process, make sure you get your car into the shade or in a cool environment. Your glass should be cool to the touch. If it's not, if it's too hot or you're trying to do this in the direct sunlight, it's not gonna work as well. There's a couple steps we need to do to prep the surface, then we can get into coating it. So first things first, we want to clean the glass. I'm gonna use Adams glass cleaner and a tough glass towel. So make sure when you clean your glass, not only do you do the outside, but you also do the inside of the glass, because when you apply this and you're wiping off, you wanna make sure you can see where you're wiping it off. And sometimes what you actually see is the stuff on the inside. Okay, the glass is clean, and now we move on to claying the glass, okay? There's things on here like bug guts, dried bug guts, that I couldn't get off by using the glass cleaner. So the way to do that is you use clay. I'm using the medium grade clay today. Look, any kind of our clay is gonna be helpful on this. And what this is gonna do is remove bonding contaminants like the dried bug guts or something like paint overspray, tree sap. What we wanna make sure and do is put this graphene glass coating onto the glass and not onto all the other bonding contaminants. So again, using the glass cleaner, we spray this on here and we take the medium grade clay and we rub this over the surface, and oh my gosh, instantly those bug guts come off. So this medium grade clay is just the most effective when it comes to claying glass. Okay, once you're done claying, you're going to wipe off that glass cleaning residue again with your glass towel. I'm using the tough glass towel. It's just my favorite glass towel in the Adams line. All right, now it's time to apply the graphene glass coating, okay? One thing I want to mention is you do not need to use a surface prep type of product before you apply this. Our glass cleaner is an alcohol-based cleaner, so it has already stripped off everything on the surface, so we're good to go. You take the glass coating and you take a gray microfiber applicator, liberally put the glass coating onto the microfiber applicator, and then put some onto the glass as well. Now what we want to do with the graphene glass coating is we want to work this in, okay? So what I like to do is take this, create an outline of the area that I'm working in, like so. And then I like to fill that in. And I'm working this in. I'm actually pushing relatively hard, maybe like 3 to 5 pounds of pressure. And I'm just gonna crosshatch. And the reason why you crosshatch is you wanna cover all of the area that you're working in. You don't wanna miss any spots. Make sure you get underneath here. What I wanna do is fill the pores of the glass. Other glass coatings we've offered just put a layer on the surface. This one was formulated to fill in the pores of the glass to make it more effective and actually create a stronger bond, which makes it last longer. Okay, so we have it applied onto the glass now. And you know, the way the surface looks, it looks sort of streaky. It kind of maybe looks like you put Vaseline on the surface. It also has a little bit of a film look. So it's like a little bit of a rainbow, but not like the graphene ceramic coating. The graphene ceramic coating gets like these big bands of rainbows. This one's much smaller. And actually that's a big difference between the application of this graphene glass coating is we don't need to wait for this to flash over an extended period of time. We can go ahead and wipe this off pretty much right away. I like to let it, flash over in about call it 30 seconds. And this is not dependent on climate. The reason why I like to use the edgeless utility towel is because it's a woven microfiber versus loose microfiber. So it's not gonna lint on the surface. And it also is great for scrubbing. So it just works the best for removing the graphene glass coating. So take this, and all we do is we just wipe this off. And it's extremely easy. You'll see right away, right when you wipe it off, pretty much perfectly clear. So I tend to wipe it off. Like so. And then I just flip the towel over, finish it off, okay? Already, the surface is extremely slick. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later. I'm just kidding. Look, that really is how easy this is to apply. To make this extremely effective and to be a little crazy like us here at Adams Polishes, put another layer of this onto the surface. So essentially the same thing. We're gonna drop this on. And also on the applicator again, and outline like we did before, and then fill it in. The reason why I like to do this twice is because I like to make sure that I filled in all of the pores of the glass. Listen, you can absolutely get away with one coat. And if you have a big surface area that you're working on, like a big truck or a big van, probably just do one layer, because you have a little 30 ml bottle that you need to cover a lot of glass. Take our towel again, wait roughly 30 seconds, do, and we wipe it off. Make sure you're doing long, fast swipes. The easiest way to wipe this off is put the towel on there, spread your fingers out, grip them, long, fast swipes. Breaks down the product and takes it off really, really easy. As you can clearly see, the effects that you get from Adams graphene glass coating are amazing. Yes, it will be easier to clean, but it is much safer for you to drive down the road. So make sure to coat all of the glass on your car so the next time we're driving down the road together, we can give each other a nice wave, and I'll see you perfectly on the road.